Welcome to our channel.
Struggling with weight loss? Discover the secret to safe and effective results with Liposet. Liposet is a thoughtfully crafted blend of natural ingredients like LA, mushrooms, glucomannan, and calcium carbonate. These powerhouse components work together synergistically to support your weight loss journey. Benefits: speeds up metabolism for effective fat burn, curbs appetite and food cravings, supports rapid burning of body fat, enhances blood sugar regulation to control cravings. Pros and cons are: pros, 100% natural ingredients, suitable for both men and women, non-GMO vegan friendly, manufactured in the United States. Cons, results may vary in individuals. It's available online only. Ready to embark on your weight loss transformation journey? Visit the website to dive into the detailed review of Liposet. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more informative content, and share with your friends who are on their weight loss journey. Until next time, stay healthy.